So I'm working with Dwayne. He's a member of our local brew club here in Southern California, the Maltose Falcons, also Vibe in Ventura. So this is a 5-gallon pail, about 60 pounds of sweet clover honey, in which we're going to separate out enough to make a 5-gallon batch, and that's about 13 and a half pounds. This was kind of crystallized. We heated it up a bit and got rid of the most of the crystals, but we're now mixing it with the water and making sure that all the crystals are dissolved into the water. One of the qualities of sweet clover honey is this beautiful cinnamon characteristic. It's wonderful for sizers, wonderful for just a traditional. Anyway, you can see the drill, the whip, and the drill. Mixing the honey and the water. We're adding more water to it. And mixing. Getting all the honey off the spoon. We're going to mix a little bit more, then we're going to do the initial gravity with the hydrometer. This whip is just a whip that you can get over at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's a paint whip. It works great because it's stainless steel and it flushes the must up from the bottom up to the top. Also, if you were degassing, it would flush up the CO2 from the bottom to the top as well and flush it out. There's a better view of it. Now we're taking some must out into the hydrometer canister, and we're going to do a reading. And I want to preface, everything has been sanitized. The bucket's been sanitized, the spoon was sanitized, the drill bit was sanitized, the hydrometer and the hydrometer vessel was sanitized. So this came in at 1140. We need to go back in, put some more water in, and get that gravity down. We're starting to mix up the must again with the whip and the drill. Just getting it to the right speed. Don't want to go too fast, don't want to go too slow, but we do want to mix it. We don't want it splashing all over the place. Honey gets sticky. Now we're going to do another gravity check. And gravity came in at 1130, so we're going back in with more water. Another gravity check. This should bring it down to 1120. We're going to check it right now in a second after we stir it. Perfect. 1120 on the nose. We're stirring it up, and then we're going to put in 4.95 grams of Fermaid O and a packet of QA23 yeast. We already mixed them together. And we're going to drop it in. Dwayne's dropping it in. And I'm using the whip to get it all circulated and meshed in. Again, that's 4.95 grams of Fermaid O and one packet of QA23. We're moving it all around, getting the clumps, getting the clumps out of the Fermaid O. Just about done. And there you have it. There you have it, sealing it up. He's going to bring it back to his house, put it in his stainless fermenter. Get ready to watch the bubbles.